Hi, and welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Monday, June 2nd. So how do you think this happens? You think all the hedge fund managers and all the money managers, they all meet in the schoolyard on Wednesday, and they say, listen, if you want to belong to our fraternity, okay, you cannot do any selling on Thursday or Friday. We'd like you to do some buying, but you don't have to do any buying, but certainly you can't do any selling. Now, on Monday, that's a different story. If you want to do some selling on Monday, go right ahead, because we'll have everything marked to where we want them for the end of the month, so we all look good. But you definitely can't do any selling on Friday. Do you think that's how they do it? I wonder how they get all this orchestrated. This was so obvious to what happened. It was ridiculous. Anyway, the market took a pretty good hit today. I said it would be window dressing if the market started down early on Monday, and boy, it's exactly what it did. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a pick for you tonight because I looked through so many stocks and I couldn't find anything that caught my eye on either side, on the long side or the short side. I may have to give the market a couple days here before things start to fill in and I get a better picture of things. But unfortunately, I have nothing to give you, so we're going to have to wait. We will take a look at IAR, which we bought this morning, and then we'll take a look at the major indexes because now we have all new resistance areas again. And I think the market's probably in for, I don't know, some selling. I don't know how long it's going to last. It could be a week or so. Okay, but we'll have our little rallies along the way. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at IAR. I'll be right back, so don't go away. All right, we're looking at a daily bar chart of IAR, which I bought this morning. I chased after it like everybody else. I don't know why I do that, but I did. I paid $4.10, and it closed at $3.97. But I'm not worried because I think this little pattern here is starting to look like a reverse head and shoulders. Anyway, it's in a big support area, and regardless of what the market does, I believe the stock is going to trade higher. So we'll put that into our portfolio, and hopefully in I don't know, a week or so we'll be selling it out up 30%. Okay, let's take a look at the major indexes because things have changed, and we want to know where our new support and resistance areas are. All right, first we're going to look at the Dow Jones. This is the Dow, and according to Technical Analysis 101, this was resistance, and lo and behold, as you see, it got right to it, and now it's come down. So this little mini uptrend has been broken. And so I'm sure this is going to get broken to this low here. Okay, where's resistance? Right there, the bottom of this day, right here. Let's take a look at an hourly chart so we can kind of zoom in on that a little bit. Now the market could rally. This is an hourly chart of the Dow. The market could rally tomorrow up into this area here, but this is all resistance up in here. This whole pattern up here. And it may not even get there, but I think it has a good chance of getting back up there. But that's as high as it's going to get, somewhere up into this pattern here. And then I believe we're going to roll over, and I believe that this low here is going to get taken out, and we're going to come down into here somewhere. And once this low gets taken out, it could take a day or two for that to happen. But once that low gets taken out, then that will be our new resistance area. Once we break down underneath here, the next time back up, we're going to bump our heads on that. So that's how it's going to happen. We're staircasing ourselves down. How far down, I just don't know. I just don't know. I would guess that this old low is going to give us some support, but we have to see how it goes. We don't necessarily need to know exactly where it's going or where it's going to stop. We just need to know the direction. So I think we get a little bounce up here into this resistance area tomorrow, and then within a day or two we're going to be rolling right over and we're going to be taking this low out here. Take a look at the transports. It got right up to that resistance area. Actually stuck its nose up through it a little higher, but it's rolled over also. So I believe this is going to work its way down. The key area here is these two lows here, and if that gets taken out, then that's clearly going to be a big resistance area. And the way the market's setting up, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if these lows get taken out in the transports. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. This was resistance. We had our little mini rally. The markup guys, remember, don't sell on Friday, whatever you do. But Monday, you do whatever you want. Boom. Okay, we've got a little resistance right in here. We'll take a look at an hourly. And comes out right here at approximately 1,400, a little under that. But this area here will probably stop it. I think there's a good chance we can get rally back up into that area tomorrow. But I don't think it's going to get through. That's pretty good resistance area. Alright, let's take a look at the QQQQs. These always give us the cleanest picture of all. And you can see how it got right up to the tippy top of this formation here and just rolled right over again. So this whole little uptrend sort of got broken with this broken down day here. This was totally not, this was no surprise to us. What was surprised to me is that they were able to push them up as high as they got them on Thursday and Friday. So we've got resistance here at the bottom of this day. Take a look at an hourly, see where that is. Okay, it's right in here. 49.75 area. And it may even push back up into, let's say, up into the bottom of this day too. But this rally is just going to be a relief rally, because I believe once it's over, this is still the QQQs. Once it's over, this low here is probably going to get taken out. So this is what we've got. This is our trading range so far. We'll probably find support the first time down here. When it gets here the first time, I don't expect it to go crashing through. It'll probably kick back, rally a little bit before it breaks. But anyway, I don't want to get ahead of myself. Right now, I do believe we're going to at least get to this low. That's our next call. And then after that, we'll have to see what develops. But I'm almost positive we're going to get down here. Okay, until tomorrow, that was my view of the market. This is TK signing off.